Let's take a look at this Tower Top Smart Battery Charger. It's a powerful, intelligent charger suitable for almost any 12-volt battery that you own. It intelligently identifies, charges, repairs, and maintains your battery. You can charge using 2, 10, or even 25 amps, and it'll work for almost any 12-volt battery, whether it uses standard AGM, gel, deep cycle, calcium, or lithium chemistry. Regardless of what kind of battery you own, it can charge it, keep it charged, fix it if it's not too far gone, or even jumpstart your vehicle if that's what you're going to need. And sometimes technology can be daunting, but this makes it so easy. It's made to take the complexity out of doing the right thing for your precise situation. It pretty much always knows exactly what it needs to do to help fix and maintain your batteries. But if you're someone who prefers manual control, you can do that too. A few things to point out include it will automatically stop charging when your battery reaches 100%. The clamps are made of copper and are very, very strong. And I've seen a reviewer mention concerns that the metal ends were poking out from the handles, but that's not been my experience at all. They feel very secure and they look terrific. The case feels very durable and won't have any issues with corrosion or chemicals. There's a winter mode that adds voltage to the initial charging voltage to improve winter battery performance. And there's even an engine start aid that provides high current to help start your car within 100 seconds. And charging is easy. You just hook up the clamps, red to positive and black to negative, plug it into the outlet, select your battery type, and press start. Just for your typical lead acid battery, it will automatically go through an 8-stage intelligent charging process that includes desulfation to remove sulfated crystals, soft start, which is a low power starting phase, bulk charging, which gets your battery charged up to 80%, absorption, which gradually reduces the charging power until it's brought up to a full charge, analysis mode, which tests the battery and goes into repair mode if needed, recondition, which restores over discharged batteries, float charging, which focuses on maintaining your battery at 100% without overcharging or causing damage, and finally, pulse maintenance, which provides pulse compensation and maintains the battery's charge. If you have a different battery type, it will also go through similar phases, but only for those modes that are needed, since not all battery types need all 8 phases. But overall, this is just an amazing piece of technology that'll more than pay for itself if you use it even just once to repair your vehicle's battery. And no, it's definitely not one of those cheap 1 amp chargers we see everywhere that could take days and days to charge a mid-sized vehicle battery, and skips those intelligent features that you have found here. It has the power to get your battery back on track, and it can do it slow or fast. So if you're someone who knows that quality is worth investing in, then this just might be the right charger for you. And I hope this short video has helped you decide if this Tower Top battery charger is right for you, and thanks for watching.